Welcome to Korčula. We got here late last night. It was so magical walking around with all of the lights. So far, we think that this might be our favorite place that we've been. It's so gorgeous, but let's go explore.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen will pretend to be with paper crowns.
What is he looking at?
I don't know palm trees very well, so this is probably going to sound silly to a lot of people. It looks like it's growing grapes. Do you see those grapes?
It does. What?
You don't wanna leave. I'm not one to keep. Got no enemies.
Well.
Thank you. Thank you for committing. I was trying to get a pity shot and you just make it so weird.
I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see. Just stay right here with me. Love is not fiction, but this time the story's about a king and a queen.
And that reminds you of vampires?
You're going to board up the window so no sunlight goes in.
Ah, we're not doing that good of a job, but it does look pretty dark in there.
We're playing Medieval 2. You have to tear them down. The vampires run in the sunlight. Get them.
Ah. I like your historical context of this place, thank you.
Yeah.
What is that? A window for ants? I didn't forget. Hi, Mom.
No. I'm going into the middle of this like city, trying to crawl out. Oh, he's behind you. He's right behind you. How do you get there? Like teleporting. What'd you say? That was the craziest meow I've ever heard. Like it was so like.
You're recording?
Yeah, I am.
The other cat was so mean. I kept trying to pet her, and then she would be like, okay, and then it's like.
Reminds me of someone we know. Cleo.
Me, even when you're not around.
We're finding that Korčula is very similar to Venice, maybe some influence some way around, but the windy streets and the way it's so easy to get lost in the little lamppost and right on the sea, and even the shape of some of the windows. And I even saw a winged lion somewhere, and I'm pretty sure that's a Venetian thing. It's just very similar, super different for sure, but the similarities are kind of cool. You look really good in this light. Is that a real thing? Says who?
Are you kidding me?
What do you mean? I've never heard of such a thing.
For the people in Japan.
Japan, isn't that Australia? Maybe both.
No, I thought this was Australia.
You said Europe.
I said UK.
You're right.
I'm so captured, got me wrapped up in your touch. Feel so enamored, hold me tight within your clutch. How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? Now I've got you in my space. I
There you
won't
go.
let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Okay.
That much.
What, he started to bite you?
Looking at me.
Secret tunnel.